Miss... Oh, I forgot your name. I have an apple... What?
Do you see this? Can you tell me what letter that is? Of course you can, because you cannot read. It is F. You know what F is for? A fish. But you know what? You're not a fish. You are a failure. You have failed.
Bubble, 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 bubble. Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Get out of my way!
She's a nice lady. Oh look, here comes the doctor. I have a rash and
You're dying.
Well, that was harsh. Hi, can I pet your monkey?
I'm going to kill you.
Nice lady. Hey, don't you go to my school?
Ew, what are you?
I have a lot of friends.